Hi guys! This is called the Clackers. It's a toy from the 70s. Actually, this is a 3D printed Clackers. But this was banned from the 80s because it is causing damages both to properties and to the person playing with it. Kasi nga, lumilipad siya. If you notice, it's somewhat similar doon sa toy na nirevise nila. Nilagyan nila ng plastic na support dito, tapos nilagyan nila ng rod, and then may handle. Then it's the same thing, kinaklak-klak-klak mo lang din siya. That's the safest version. But kids from the 80s and the 70s, mas gusto nila yung excitement of having to play such dangerous toys. Actually, you play it like this. I don't have any practice, so I don't know if I can still do it, but it was so many years ago. But let's just, and I'm so afraid that because during that time I already had an accident with this, and then tumama siya sa, buti na lang sa pader, hindi sa akin. Then after that, parang nagka-phobia na akong laruin siya. But anyway, this is 3D printed. This is lighter version. So, hindi siya masyadong dangerous kasi nilagyan ko siya ng infill. Tapos, hindi ko siya sinolid. So, tingnan natin ha. So, you actually play it like this. Titignan mo yung momentum eh. I don't know if I can still can. Kasi wala naman kasi siyang chain eh. Teka, hanap tayo ng parang bakal na pwedeng humawak sa kanya. Kasi actually, pagka ginagamit to noon, may steel chain dito. Pero some of them will not use it as such. Some of them will do it like this. You put it like that. And then you put the other one there to make a ring here. And then you make it equal. See? And then you play it like this. I'm quite nervous. And then if there's the momentum, you do it like that. So actually, I have a phobia with this kind of toy because I already had an accident before during my younger years. Let's try the other thing. You can also do it like that. If you want to decrease the length of the string, you can just see. Then let's do it. But I want it longer. Then I don't know if I can still do this. Lack of practice. But before, during my early days, I can do it unlimited. That's why I had this accident, because I never thought that the string will snap. Okay, but you get the idea. Kasi medyo mahina na ang lola, hindi ko na kaya, tsaka medyo may nervyos na ako because I had an accident with this before. So pagka nilalaro ko siya is parang medyo ninenervyos na ako. But I will show you how I printed it from 3D printer para ganito katibay at tsaka ganito kaganda ang pagkakaprint ninyo. So balikan ko kayo. I'll just turn the camera. Okay mga po, I'm doing this spear thing from another video, and you can actually watch it. But ulitin na lang natin. Let's give it another try, and let's create a new scene from 3D Builder. And then from there on, you need to set this from millimeter to centimeter. I always use centimeter because it's easier. So let's actually insert an object, which is a sphere, that is the shape of the, I forgot. the takatak. And then let's lower it down. So I was planning to make around 3 cm. I'm lowering it down just to measure it. That is 5 cm, and then let's just put it here. And then that's 5 less 2, then it's already 3 cm. This is a smaller version. Okay? Then let's set that aside. And then let's put another shape, which is the cylinder. And then let's resize this cylinder into a very small one, as small as the string can handle. Okay. And then let's make it bigger. No, taller. Okay, I guess it's still so big. Let's make it a bit smaller. And of course, you'll need something to... Oh, wait. You'll need something to hold the string inside the ball. There must be an indentation underneath so that the string will stuck in and neatly. And then by doing that, let's have a cone. And then let's resize this cone. Okay, let's just put up some indentation. Okay, I guess that's more than enough. And then if that is more than enough, then we can have this grouped. You can actually choose this, then group both of that. That indentation will serve as this one. It will hold the nut in place inside the ball. At least it will secure it in place. See? Snugly and neatly. Okay? Now, after that, if you make this as a group, and then you set the parameters to 0, and then the location to 0, and then as well as this ball, you also set it to 0. Charan! This one also 0. Okay, then voila. The thing at the center now will become the hole for the string. See? And then after that, click the center part. Click edit, and then subtract. And it will actually make you a hole. See? Oops, sorry, wrong. I did not put this at the no. Let's do this. Let's make it this way. Okay, settle. Okay, settle. Okay, that's it. Then again. Then subtract. Okay. Now, this time it's good. See? That is the bigger cone underneath, and then there's a big hole now for the string. Okay? See? Now, how do you print this? Actually, I have already give the instruction to another video, but let's try it again. You can print this perfectly. Not so perfectly, but at least it's a circle. It's a round thing, but it's not that perfect. See, I still have to sand this up, but I guess sanding this will be useless because you know, it will just collide with each other, and it's just a waste of time. Okay, do this by using split. And then it will actually give you 2 parts by keeping both parts. See? The upper portion and the lower portion. Then, click split. Then, let's set things aside. Click the upper part. And then, let's separate them. And then, click this one. And let's roll them at 90 degrees angle. Oh, no, 180. I'm sorry. 180. So it will flip. Okay. And then click that one. Then push object. Then settle. Okay. Then click the other one. Push object. Then settle. See? Now, you have two parts, and this will be the parts that you need to print the object. Okay? Let's put them side by side so that we can print them together. Okay, that's it. Then just save it. I did save one here. Ball hole. It's the same thing. Oh, see? Now, what about slicing in Cura? Let's do this. Hi, Peter. Hi, baby. Cura is still loading. I'll post this video for a while. Okay, guys. Now, let's go. Before we print that, of course, we need to set some parameters to make it a perfect ball and a perfect sturdy ball. Let's go. Ball hole. Where is it? Okay, that's it. So, actually, if you're in a hurry, you could use quality that is less than the standard. But if you want a fine print, I use 0.4 for the quality, and this is the result. It's not as fine as it is, but it's just something that will collide with each other, and you don't actually need it very fine. So, this is more than enough. And then, sorry, nag-English ang lola ha, kasi may nag-request lang, Dudong. And then, the wall should be thick. Thick enough so that if they collide with each other, it will not crack. It will be more than durable to withstand the clacking as you play with the toy. Talagang sorry, Dodong, talagang mag-trying hard lang tayo mag-English talaga. So, I will set this into 5 because it will be the best thickness for the wall. And then, top-bottom doesn't necessarily be thick. I just set it to 3 so that it will just be a smooth finish for the actually it's just for the bottom part, because if you put the two bottom parts together just like this, then it will be more than enough thickness. Actually, I put this up using silicone glue. You should not use yung shoe glue because it will crack, but the silicone does the trick because it can withstand impact than the shoe glue. Okay, so the infill, it depends upon you. If you want, you can have it 15, you can have it 20, and you can have it 10. It will just actually hold the center. Actually, it will create this center loop here, and it will just hold this at the center so that it will align at the center, so that if you stick both of them, it will create the thing. It will be aligned at the center. See? So, regardless, the most important part is the wall. So, you can use, I actually use 15 because it will be sufficient for the impact when you're playing the item. Okay, the materials, it depends on the material. If you're going to use PLA, you can actually set it to 200. I want it at 200 because it should be sturdier rather than using 185. See? And we need a very sturdy print. Then, support no more. The speed, I set it up at 60. The travel, you can have it turned off or you can still use it as standard, 6.5. And then, cooling, standard. And then, support, no more build plate adhesion. Then, when you're going to print it, this will become your result. See? I did too. I actually did too. I will give this one to my friend, see, because he's a BBM and Sara Duterte fanatic, so I'm going to give this color for him. And I will create another one because this is actually a very nostalgic toy. See, it's a clacker. Okay guys, I wish you could also print this one. It's a very nostalgic toy and it brings out memories from the past, especially with kids during my with my age, and a person with my age. You can actually give this a gift for your tito, titas, and even with your lolo, because I guess they also played this before. When I was a kid, I guess the lolos are already at their 20s or 30s, but they are also playing this. See, it's a clacker. It's a takatak in the Philippines. It's called takatak. And hope you have fun playing with this, and be careful playing with this. Remember, it's banned because there are things that it can do, but you can enjoy it outside if the place is quite big, because it will reduce the risk of harm. See? Okay, thank you so much. And if you like this video, please give it a like. And please share this video. Kahit bulok-bulok ang pag-English ngayon ng Lola kasi kulang na sa practice. Dahil may nag-request lang kung paano ko daw ito ginawa. And in English daw, sabi nila. So, eto, na-trying hard time mag-English. So, sorry po. So, kung meron kayong printer, you can actually print this. Nostalgic to, you can give it to your lolo, sa yung tita rin, pwede, di ba? Kasi maalala nila yung kabataan nila. Actually, nilalaro ko to ngayon kasi tuwan-tuwa ako. Kaya lang medyo takot ako kasi tinamaan na ako nito before. Kaya naban ito nung 80s eh. Kaya, kasi nakakatama talaga siya. Sobra siyang nakakatama. It was considered deadly weapon during then kasi parang ginawa rin panghampas ng mga bata or something pag nag-aaway sila. Parang ganon. And if you like this video, please naman, paki-subscribe po and hit that notification button. At tayo po meron din pong Facebook page, which is Your Lola with an H, L-O-L-A-H, Bong Lim. Here saying na happy printing and happy playing with your clackers or takatak. Maraming salamat po.